Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's come back to our content where we are going to discuss on solar panels as they are used in our everyday life. Today's session we want to discuss on solar panel and how to produce electricity. We know that solar panels are very essential. We have different sources of electricity from hydropower plant, electricity from the sun, electricity from the fuels. At this time, let's discuss on solar panels and how they produce electricity. Solar panels are the first three essential materials, devices we use in our daily life in our home. Solar panels, they convert solar energy into electricity. Mainly the target after this session, we will be able to know how solar panel produce electricity. Solar panel are used the process or the phenomena of photoelectric effect. Firstly, let's define what is solar panel. A solar panel can be defined as those devices which are used to absorb the sun's rays and convert them into electricity. It means that these solar panels are able to convert the photon from the sun. There is what we call electromagnetic radiation from the sun in terms of photon or light. This light from the sun are converted or absorbed by those metal plates of solar panel. Then as the photon disappears, there is a flow of electron. This is how solar panel works immediately. The mechanism is very easy to understand. Actually, solar panels or photovoltaic cells which can be used to generate electricity through photovoltaic effect. These solar panels we are looking here are composed by smallest cells which are called photovoltaic cells. These photovoltaic cells, they are combined together so that they change photon energy from the sun into electron, so that there is production of electricity. Mainly it is very understood that there is what we call photovoltaic and photoelectric effect. Mainly when you say photoelectric effect, this photoelectric effect comes from interaction of photon. Interaction of photon are different. Photon can interact with electron at rest. If electron at rest, then it moves. This is what we call photoelectric effect. Mainly photoelectric effect can be defined as the emission of electrons or from metal plate, from metal surface. As photon hit on it, it is the removal of electron from the metal surface. Also, you can define photoelectric effect as a phenomena in which electrons are ejected from a surface of a metal when light is incident on it. This is very easy, this is essential, this is well understood how when the photon from light, when you say photon, are those light from the sun. Light from the sunlight are called photon. When you say photon, photon are carrier of electromagnetic radiations from the sun, so that they can be converted into electricity. Mainly in a simple way, solar panels are able to convert photon energy or solar light into electron due to photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is that effect occurs when photons are converted into electricity, into electron, which are called photoelectron. Those photoelectrons are able to move clearly. These ejected electrons are called photoelectron. This is namely what we call photoelectric effect. Our ladies and gentlemen, solar panels are used in our daily life and is very important and is very essential to know how the mechanism is. Let me ask you, last time we shall discuss on the next point, which will tell how a photoelectric effect is different to photovoltaic effect. They are similar, but for photoelectric effect is that it is very easy to us to understand the difference between the two terms. When you say photovoltaic effect, as we understand, there is a production of voltage or electric current in photovoltaic cells. Those cells made solar panels when it is exposed to sunlight. How photoelectric effect is different to photovoltaic effect. Photoelectric effect, we have seen that is the removal of electron on metal plate when sunlight or electromagnetic radiation hit on that metal. Let's invite you to follow the next session, and I remind you to subscribe in order to follow day per day how the process is. Thank you. We are together. See you soon.